The management of mass casualty incidents and disasters is one of the greatest challenges for modern emergency systems. In these scenarios, complexity increases exponentially due to simultaneous risks, the scarcity of immediate resources, and the need for coordination among multiple agencies. Prevention, planning, and operational preparedness are essential pillars to reduce improvisation and optimize response from the very first minute. Only a culture of anticipation allows for effective action amid chaos and ensures structured and safe healthcare delivery. The operational approach requires a deep understanding of the incident command system, victim classification, functional distribution of the field, and interagency communication. Every decision, from the initial assessment to the activation of the advanced command post, impacts survival and environmental recovery. Professionals must master tools such as the ICS, Incident Command System, which unify criteria, assign responsibilities, and maintain strategic coherence at every stage. The ability to organize, plan, and lead under pressure makes the difference between operational success and collapse. Managing this type of emergency requires a highly specialized profile that combines clinical, tactical, and organizational knowledge. Training in this field shapes leaders capable of transforming the healthcare response into an act of precision and humanity, creating order in confusion, setting priorities, and coordinating multidisciplinary teams with strategic vision, raising excellence in contexts where science, coordination, and leadership come together to protect life.